In today's video, I'm going to teach you apply built-in heading styles. If you've ever wrestled with messy formatting or struggled to keep a long document organized, built-in heading styles are the quickest way to create a clean, consistent structure that's easy to read and navigate. Start by selecting the text you want to turn into a heading. With it highlighted, head to the Home tab and look for the Styles group. There, choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 based on the level you need. As a general guide, use Heading 1 for chapter or main section titles, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for sub-subsections. Applying these styles does more than change the appearance. It builds a logical outline behind the scenes, which is essential for navigation and consistency. Once the style is applied, you can make it look exactly the way you want. Highlight a piece of text that already uses that heading. Then, in the Styles group, right-click the heading style and choose Modify. In the Modify dialog, adjust the font to something like Times New Roman, Calibri, or Poppins. Pick a size that suits your document, choose a color, and toggle bold or italic if needed. You can also set the alignment to left, center, or right. For fine-tuning spacing, click Format at the bottom of the window and choose Paragraph to adjust spacing before and after the heading or the line spacing. When you click OK, every instance of that heading style in your document updates instantly, keeping your formatting perfectly consistent without manual changes. Repeat that same process for Heading 2 and Heading 3 so each level has its own clear look. Maybe Heading 1 is larger and bold, Heading 2 is slightly smaller, and Heading 3 is more subtle. The key is creating a visible hierarchy so readers can immediately understand your structure at a glance. Keeping the styles coordinated but distinct improves readability and makes your document feel professional. To navigate your document quickly, open the Navigation pane by going to the View tab and selecting Navigation Pane. You'll see a list of all your headings on the left. Click any heading to jump straight to that section. As you add or change headings, this list updates automatically, giving you an instant outline of your work. If a section doesn't appear, double-check that you applied a built-in heading style and not just manual formatting. That's it. Apply the heading styles, customize them once, repeat for each level, and use the Navigation pane to move around effortlessly.